Hello everyone, it's Jason with MyRVInspection.com, bringing you a weekly one reason to get an RV inspection. Today I'm going to show you something that I have seen before, but this is after about 3 years, so this is a 2020 RV. This RV was built the same way as many RVs I've showed you in the past, but I want to show you what happens after they get older. So in the video I told you, when they install the gutters upside down, the gutters are going to pull away from the sidewall, and that is exactly what is happening here. You see this part of the gutter is flat. If we come up there, you should be able to see that is the actual gutter. And if we go over here, you can see it pulling away as well. Once again, even the gutter extensions don't fit right because the gutter is upside down. That's it, folks, for this week's Weekly One Reason. Have a nice day.